Hi guys, it's Noni here and welcome to my vloggy vlog. So I do vlog about my life as an introvert, and if that is something you like to watch, then stay on this channel. So I went to a pharmacy to get checked because I had cold and fever, so I went to get some supplements and drugs to take. And yeah, that was basically what I did then. And after this place, I headed straight to get my nails done because I had a job to do. And you guys, I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but it didn't go well at all. I wanted something else, and I got something totally different, and my friends laughed the hell out of me. It actually made me forget that I was really sad. I ended up laughing with them. And after that, I stopped by at ShopRite. I went to Minito to get a tote bag, and I wanted something stronger. So I picked the black and white, but it was expensive. But I wanted something really strong. Then I stopped by to get kilishi, and I went shopping. I went shopping for like a 2 weeks shopping, and you guys, things are so expensive. I got a couple of things that will last me for 2 weeks, and you guys, I'm crazy about this ice cream. I got some sauce. I wanted to cook fried rice, so I got veggies for fried rice as well. And you guys, tell me why the economy is so bad that these things you are seeing on the screen right now cost me about 52,000, 53,000 thereabout. And I was just looking for what I bought, and I can't see them. Even though I know that the rice was one of the things that made my list go very, very high, but it was still too expensive because I can remember like a few years back, especially during COVID, when I went shopping with 30k and the whole house was full. Well, with that being said, never mind. I actually bought a gift for my man from this brand for his birthday. I'm sorry I didn't unbox it because I had to give the birthday boy to unbox by himself. And if you're looking to get something really nice for your man, this brand is so good. So I had to plan a party for 25 guests, and I was in charge of the food. So I had to quickly go and get drinks. I went to my friend to get drinks because I don't drink. I'm not a drinker, so I had to go with someone to get the drinks. And then I did a little bit of shopping for the food because I had to cook fried rice for 25 people. So I had to get extra basmati rice. I got some spices because I already had some at home. So I just got the mayonnaise, the curry, rosemary, thyme, and the oil. I had to get extra oil even though I had oil at home. So I just got few things that I needed for the party. Got Maggie, and yeah, this was another place that shocked me. I was just shouting when I got to the supermarket. I was just shouting. I was just shouting because things are so expensive. I don't even want to go on and on about how much I spent buying everything here. So I also had to get eggs. I got juice for the ladies. I got Coke for the vodka, and this is my kilishi that I've been eating small. So I also got veggies for the fried rice. And God, guys, this was where I shouted the most. Tell me why I spent exactly 9,100 naira to get all these things, like all the veggies you guys are seeing here. It was so expensive, you guys. It was not how this country used to be before. I cannot even complain enough. So I was so tired because I had to walk to the market, to the supermarkets, and back and forth. So I just packed everything in the fridge because I was going to clean the fridge later on after the whole thing. And I was actually planning to vlog while cooking this food, but I really underestimated how difficult it was going to be to cook for 25 people. I could not vlog everything because I could not even vlog anything because I was cooking alone. I did the prepping alone. I did the cooking alone. I cooked about 17 cups of rice and I did it alone. You guys, it was so stressful. So this is the ice cream I was talking about. I had to go and get another one because I already finished the previous one you guys saw earlier. And I'm so crazy about this ice cream combo. Getting vanilla ice cream and mixing it with like breaking Oreo biscuits inside. You guys, my sister gave me this recipe per se, and I have not been able to do any other thing except this combo. So try this and thank me later if you've not tried it. Like, get the original Oreo biscuit, not the ones that have other flavors. So this is a very short vlog. Thank you guys for watching and let me know if you want to see more vlogs. Bye.